Hello, my dear students! Welcome to our second week. I hope that this video message finds you in good spirits. I'd like to kick off this week with a comic. It's our comic of the week. So let's check it out. Here it says, "Okay, everyone, remember the buddy system," says the socks to the others that are going into the dryer. They're going on a field trip today to the dryer. I hope they're able to find the other half. Because I don't know about you, but sometimes those socks do be getting lost. That's our comic for the week. And let's see what we have on the docket. So for this week, we have the topic of intertextuality, which is an important learning objective of our class. And it's very much forms the work that we do with academic writing. Additionally, we're going to be looking at our first paper, which is a narrative called Dream Chasing, as well as the corresponding brainstorm. And so we have our lesson, intertextuality, to highlight our week. So let's check out our module. Here's what we have. You're watching this video, which is the first step. Next, we have our reading, which comes from L. Lenny Irvin. And you're going to look at some key concepts or key ideas that stand out from this. And how can you apply your own understanding to this work of academic writing? And why is what you drew out significant? So remember to also reply to a classmate's post so that you can get full credit. Here is our lesson on intertextuality. And we have our worksheet, which is the homework that goes with it. Additionally, our reading for this week comes from Hot Cheetos. And so please make sure to read that and respond to this. And here is our first paper. As usual, I like including student samples so that you can have a guide. Here's the corresponding brainstorm. And as usual, things are due on a Sunday, except for the homework worksheet that goes with our intertextuality lesson. That one's due on the 4th. So pay attention to that. All right, guys, I wish you a lovely week.